what continue, what is continue, and what will happen if we give continue. So void main, so int I. So for I is equal to 1, I less than or equal to 5, I plus plus. So if I is less than 3, continue. Printf percentage d comma I. So now what will happen, what it will print basically. So what is continue, what it will do. So what is the output? Can you guess, anyone?
0, 1, 2.
0, 1, 2. 0 is not there. No, I am starting from 1.
No, 1,
1, 2, sir. 1, 2.
1, 2.
No. Answer is not 1, 2. Continue is used to take the control back to the loop. Is it clear? So I is less than, so 1 is less, first initially I value is 1. So 1 less than or equal to 5 is true. It will come inside. 1 less than 3 is true. So what it will do? It will hit continue. Whenever it hit continue, where it will go? It will again go back to the loop. So I value will be incremented to 2. 2 less than or equal to 5 is true. So if 2 less than 3, this is also true. So if I is less than 3, so I is 2, 2 less than 3 is true. So again it will hit continue. So whenever it hit continue, again it go back to the loop. So I value will become 3. So now 3 less than or equal to 5 is true, and I value 3 less than 3 is false or true?
False.
False. So it will not hit continue. It will go on print value 3. So
3, 4,
now
5.
I value will be incremented to 4. So 4 less than or equal to 5 is true. So 4 less than 3 is false. It will not hit continue. So it will print 4.
4.
Next, I value will be incremented to 5. So 5 less than or equal to 5 is true. So it will come down. It will not hit continue. So it will come down and it will print 5. Output is 3, 4, 5. So now you tell me what is continue? Continue is used to take the control back to the loop. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, note on this. So Siddhamesh, Usha, are you still working, ma'am, or have you resigned for the job?
Sir, working, sir. Notice, I am in notice period.
Okay, so is it okay if we take morning and afternoon, evening sessions, like morning C and evening microcontrollers? So we want to get you for the placements in another 1 month only. So because
Yes,
so that's
sir.
why we want to work in parallel sessions, because we have
Yes, sir.
huge requirements in many companies. So that's why we are planning this. Yeah, Usha,
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
that's fine, right? You can manage, right?
Yes, sir. I
So,
can
and who
manage.
is working? Siddharamesh, you have resigned, right?
Yeah, I resigned and I relieved also, sir, from company.
Okay,
Yeah.
good. So for you, there is no issue.
No issues.
I think for Apurva, I need to ask, is there any other person working here?
Yes, sir.
Kishore.
Yes, sir. I'm working, sir.
So for you, Kishore,
Yes, sir. Possible, sir.
you can manage, right?
Yeah, sir. I can manage. No problem.
Where you are working right now?
Strong, sir.
Okay, Vishwan only. Okay.
Yes, sir.
You will be having shifts, right? What is the
Yeah.
shift that is going on?
Right now, first shift, sir.
First shift. First shift in the 7 o'clock.
Morning 6 to 2.
Oh, okay. So fine. Like morning C class we will take, and in the evening time microcontrollers will go. My microcontrollers you can attend live. C class you can take the recording. So if you are having any questions, you can ping me anytime. I can explain to you. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So we will make it fast, Kishore, because we don't have candidates. Like everyone got selected in previous batches, and clients has come with huge requirements. So that's why we want to push you little faster. Okay.
Yes, sir.
సార్ ఒకసారి ఇది మళ్ళీ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తారు.
Yeah, sure. I'll explain. You are from Bangalore only, sure?
Yes, sir. Bangalore.
So, see, I value is initially 1. So 1 is less than or equal to 5. So what it will do, it will come here and it will check the condition. So 1 less than 3 is what? True or false?
True, sir.
Sai.
Yes, sir.
So 1 less than 3 is true. So it will hit continue, correct? It will
Yes,
go and
sir.
it will hit continue. So whenever it hits continue what I told you, continue is used to take the control back to the loop. So control will not go down. If it hits continue, again it will take the control back to loop. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
So now it will not print anything now. So next I value will be incremented to 2. 2 less than or equal to 5 is true and 2 less than 3 is also true, correct?
Yes, sir.
Again it will hit continue. So 2 will not be printed because it has hit continue again take the control to back to the loop. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So now I value will be incremented to 3 now. So 3 less than or equal to 5 is true and 3 less than 3 is false or true?
False, sir.
False. So it will not hit continue. It will go down and it will print 3 I value.
Okay.
Clear? Sai?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
So next I value will be incremented to 4. So 4 less than or equal to 5 is true. So 4 less than 3 is false or true?
False. False, sir.
False. So it will not hit continue. It will go and print 4. Clear?
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
అర్థమైంది కదా?
అర్థమైంది సార్.
Okay. Can I erase?
Yes.
Now you tell me what is continue. Continue is used to take the control back to the loop. Should be used only inside loops, and it is not allowed to use outside the loops. Clear? So continue should be used only inside loops. So it is not allowed to use anywhere outside the loops. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So if you use outside the loop continue, it will throw compilation error.
Yes, sir.
Done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now I'm having void main. So okay, I'll take int I comma j. For I is equal to 1, I less than or equal to 3 I plus plus. For j is equal to 1, j less than or equal to 3 j plus plus. So if I double equal to j, continue. Otherwise, printf percentage d comma I comma percentage d I can say new line comma I comma j. So before going to this program, so we'll just touch this one. If there is two for loops, how it will execute? So void main int I comma. So for I is equal to 1, I less than or equal to 3. For j is equal to 1, j less than or equal to 3, j plus plus. Printf percentage d comma I comma j. So new line comma I comma j. So what it will print, tell me? So first initially I value is 1. So 1 is less than or equal to 3. This is true, correct? Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
What is I value? I value is 1. So now it goes to the subloop. Subloop is this one. So j, now for j is equal to 1, j value is also 1, j less than or equal to 3 is true. So this is also true. So what it will print first?
1 comma
I
1 1.
value is 1, j value is also
1.
So now after completion of this loop, again control will go here. Okay, not up. So again this is subloop. Subloop it will complete, then only it will go to main loop. So j will be incremented to 2. So 2 less than or equal to 3 is true. So now again it will go down. So what is I value now?
2.
1.
No, I value is still 1 only.
1.
Okay, I value is 1, j value is 2.
2.
Now j value again will get incremented to 3.
3.
So 3 less than or equal to 3 is true. So now printf percentage d I comma j. What is I value?
1.
What is j
J
value?
value 3.
3.
So now j value got incremented to 4. So 4 less than or equal to 3 is false. It will break
False.
the
Loop.
clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So after breaking the sub loop, then only it will go to again main loop. Now it goes to main loop. So what is I value? I value is 1. It got incremented to 2 now. Is it clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So 2 less than or equal to 3 is true. Again it will go to sub loop. So again j starts from 1. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So 1 is less than or
J
equal to 3
value.
is true. So what is I value?
2.
2.
J value
1.
1. So this will be printed. Now j value will be incremented to 2. So 2 less than or equal to 3 is true. So now it will print I comma j. What is I value?
2 comma 2.
2.
2 2.
J value 2. Now
2 3
this will be incremented to 3. So now 2 3 will be
2 3
printed. So now this will be incremented to 4. This loop will break because 4
Break.
less than or equal to 3 is false.
yes
So now I value will be
3
incremented to 3.
3.
So now 3 less than or equal to 3 is true. Again it will go to subloop. So j again starts from 1. So j is 1. 1 less than or equal to 3 is true. So now what it will print?
3 1
3 1 3 2 3 3.
3 2 and
3 3
so now it will become 4. It will break the loop. So this also will become 4. So it will break
Break
the
the loop.
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 Clear?
Yes, sir.
This is how 2 for loops will execute in a program. Note down this. Usha, you are which pass out, ma?
2020, sir.
Oh, okay. If possible, resign now, Usha, because you will be getting lot of big opportunities. So if you prepare
sir.
well, you can easily crack those companies.
Yes, sir. I already
Okay.
resigned, sir.
Okay, good. So you are practicing, right? You start practicing from now only. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So how many days notice period, Usha?
1 month, sir.
1 month. Okay. Done.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. So now you tell me what is the output of this one. So every time whenever it hits continue, where it will go? It will go to the J loop or I loop.
Mm,
Which loop? So wherever
loop.
continue is there, for that loop only it will take. So
J
continue
loop.
is in J loop, so it will take back control to the J loop only. So now you tell me what is the output. So first I value is 1. So 1 less than or equal to 3 is true. So J is also 1. 1 less than or equal to 3 is true. So I value is 1, J value is 1. Both are equal. Correct?
Yes, sir.
When both are equal, will it hit continue?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So it will hit continue. Now it will not print anything. So J value will be incremented to 2. So 2 less than or equal to 3 is true. So what is I value?
I
One.
value 1.
J value?
2.
So 1 is
It
equal
will
to 2
not
now?
continue.
No.
No.
False,
Both
sir.
are not equal. So it will not hit continue. So it will print it. So
1, 2.
1, 2 will be printed. Next,
One.
I value will be incremented to 3. So, so 1
1 not equal to
equal
3.
to 3 is false. So it will print 1 and 3. So now I value will be
I value
incremented to 2.
2.
So 2 less than or equal to 3 is true. So here J will start
J
from
equal
1. So J is 1, I is 2. Both are not equal. So it will print this.
1.
So J will be incremented to 2. So 2 less than or equal to 3 is true. So I is 2, J is 2. Both are equal. It will hit continue. Correct?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this will not be printed. So now J value will be incremented to 3. So I is 2, J is 3. Both are not equal. So it will not hit continue and it will print this.
2, 3.
2, 3 will be printed. So next I value will be incremented to 3. So 3 less than or equal to 3 is true. So it will go here. So J starts from 1. So
1.
I value is 3, J value is 1. Both are not equal. So it will print J1. So now J value will be incremented to 2. So I is 3, J is 2. So both are not equal. It will print T2. So next J value will be incremented to 3. So I is 3, J is 3. Both are equal. So it will hit continue. So 3, 3 will not
It will
be.
not print.
So I value, J value will be incremented to 4. It will break the loop. Now I value will be incremented to 4. It will break the main loop. So it will print 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 3, 2. Is that clear? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, note down this.
Sir,
Yeah.
సో మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయరా?
సో ఇక్కడ ఎవరు తేజ అని అడిగింది?
సో నేను సాయిరామ్.
సాయిరామ్, ఇక్కడ I వాల్యూ 1 ఉంది, కరెక్టా?
సార్.
సో 1 is less than or equal to 3, true, కరెక్టా?
సార్.
J వాల్యూ విల్ స్టార్ట్ ఫ్రమ్ 1 1 to 3 1 నుంచి 3 వరకు వెళ్తుంది ఫస్ట్, కరెక్టా? సో J వాల్యూ ఇస్ 1, I వాల్యూ ఇస్ ఆల్సో 1, బోత్ ఆర్ 1. ఇప్పుడు రెండు ఈక్వల్ అయితే ఏమైతే ఉంది, సో ఇట్ విల్ హిట్ కంటిన్యూ, ప్రింట్ చేయకుండా కిందికి వెళ్ళదు, అర్థమైందా? ప్రింట్ చేయాలి, కంటిన్యూ హిట్ అవుతుంది. సో నౌ J వాల్యూ విల్ బి ఇంక్రిమెంటెడ్ టు 2 కదా?
2. ఓకే సార్,
అర్థమైందా? సో J 2 less than or equal to 3, ట్రూ. సో I వాల్యూ ఎంత ఉంది? 1 ఉంది. J వాల్యూ ఎంత ఉంది? 2 ఉంది. సో బోత్ ఆర్ నాట్ ఈక్వల్, సో ఇట్ విల్ నాట్ హిట్ కంటిన్యూ, ఇట్ విల్ ప్రింట్ దట్ డేటా. ఈ రెండు ప్రింట్ చేయాలి, అర్థమైందా?
yes sir.
సో నౌ J వాల్యూ విల్ బి ఇంక్రిమెంటెడ్ టు 3. సో I ఎంత ఉంది?
yes sir.
I ఎంత ఉంది?
2 1.
1 కదా, ఇంకా I ఇంక్రిమెంట్ అవ్వదు.
1 sir, 1 సారీ సార్, 1 sir.
1.
Yes,
సో
sir.
1 3 ఆ రెండు ఈక్వల్ కాదు, సో కాబట్టి
yes sir.
అర్థమైంది కదా?
మళ్ళీ ఆ తర్వాత ఐకి వెళ్తది, అర్థమైంది.
క్లియర్? ఓకే ఓకే
ఓకే.
హలో సార్.
ఎస్
సార్, I వాల్యూకి ముందు వెళ్ళొచ్చు కదా సార్? జేకి వెళ్ళకన్నా I వాల్యూకి వెళ్ళొచ్చు కదా సార్ ఇంక్రిమెంట్ కి ఫస్ట్?
అదే చెప్తా ఉండేది. సబ్ ఫర్ లూప్ ఎప్పుడైతే ఒకసారి ఇది మెయిన్ లూప్, ఇది సబ్ లూప్, అర్థమైందా? ఇది మెయిన్ లూప్ నరేష్
సార్,
ఇది సబ్ లూప్, ఓకేనా?
ఫస్ట్ సబ్ లూప్ కి వెళ్తుందా సార్?
మెయిన్ లూప్ వస్తుంది, మెయిన్ లూప్ నుంచి మళ్ళీ కింది సబ్ లూప్ కి వెళ్తుంది, అర్థమైందా?
ఓకే సార్.
ఫస్ట్ మెయిన్ లూప్ దగ్గరకు వచ్చింది, మెయిన్ లూప్ లోపల సబ్ లూప్ ఉంది, కరెక్టా?
yes sir.
సో ఈ సబ్ లూప్ ఫెయిల్ అయితే గానీ మళ్ళీ మెయిన్ లూప్ రాదు, లోపలికి వచ్చేస్తుంది.
ఓకే సార్, అర్థమైంది సార్.
అర్థమైందా?
yes sir.
క్లియర్ కదా?
yes sir, clear.
ఓకే.
సార్ మార్నింగ్ ఈవినింగ్ సెషన్స్ ఎప్పటి నుంచి ప్లాన్ చేస్తున్నారు సార్? మార్నింగ్ ఈవినింగ్ సెషన్స్ అన్నారు కదా సార్?
సాయి, అదే సాయి, ఎందుకంటే ఇప్పుడు స్ట్రెంగ్త్ కొంచెం తక్కువ ఉన్నారు, సో రిక్వైర్మెంట్స్ ఎక్కువ ఉన్నాయి, దానికని కొంచెం తొందరగా సిలబస్ అయిపోచేద్దామని.
ఓకే ఓకే సార్, అదే ఎప్పటి నుంచి స్టార్ట్ చేస్తున్నారని?
నెక్స్ట్ వీక్ ఇంకా ఇప్పుడు వీళ్ళకి మీ 33 బ్యాచ్ వాళ్ళకి మైక్రో కంట్రోలర్స్ జరుగుతూ ఉంది, సో వాళ్ళకి ఇంకొక 3 days ఉంది క్లాసెస్, అది అయిపోతానే మీకు స్టార్ట్ చేస్తాం 2 sessions.
ఓకే సార్.
Sir, morning session timings.
Morning sessions timings, it would be before 10 o'clock only. Before 10 o'clock only we will start.
Okay, sir.
So is that fine, Usha?
Sir?
10 o'clock, before 10 o'clock is fine, or for?
Yes, sir. Before 10 o'clock.
Yeah.
సార్ ఇంత ప్రీవియస్ బ్యాచ్ లో కూడా 2019 పాస్డ్ అవుట్ ఎవరైనా ఉన్నారా సార్?
2018 2017 కూడా ఉన్నారు, ప్లేస్ అయ్యారు వాళ్ళు.
ఓకే ఓకే సార్.
కానీ 2017 2018 వాళ్ళకి అంటే వీళ్ళకి వచ్చినన్ని, అంటే వీళ్ళకి 20 కంపెనీస్ ఉన్నాయనుకోండి, సో 20 అలో చేస్తారు మీకు. ఒక దీంట్లో ఒక 4 to 5 తగ్గచ్చు, మీకు 15 కంపెనీస్ వరకు అలో చేస్తారు.
2019 వాళ్ళకా సార్?
2018, 17 వాళ్ళు.
ఓకే.
2022 వాళ్ళకి తక్కువ వస్తాయి సార్.
2022 ఫుల్గా వస్తాయి. 2022 ఎవ్రీథింగ్ ఈజ్, ఎవ్రీ కంపెనీ ఈజ్ ఎలిజిబుల్. వాళ్ళకి ఇంకా స్టార్ట్ చేయలేదు మేము. మేబీ ఇంకా మీకు సర్టిఫికేట్స్ రాగానే స్టార్ట్ చేస్తాం.
నాకు ఇంకా 2 సర్టిఫికేట్స్ రావాలి సార్. 22 పాస్ అవుట్ సార్ నేను.
అదే ఎప్పుడు వస్తాయి సర్టిఫికేట్స్?
నెక్స్ట్ వీక్ వస్తాయని చెప్పారు సార్ మాక్సిమం.
రానిలే, అంటే సర్టిఫికేట్స్ రాగానే స్టార్ట్ చేస్తాం అది ప్రాసెస్. ఓకేనా? సో కాకపోతే బాగా నేర్చుకొని వెళ్ళండి. ఆతుతుగా దేనికంటే దానికి వెళ్ళకండి. అర్థమైందా?
ఓకే సార్.
సో మీకు నేర్చుకోవాలి, మంచి కంపెనీస్కి వెళ్ళాలి, స్టార్టింగ్ లోనే హై ప్యాకేజ్ తీసుకోవాలి అనుకున్నారంటే కొంచెం టైం తీసుకోండి. మేము రేపు ప్లేస్మెంట్స్ పంపిస్తామంటే మీరు ఇంకొక 15 days కూడా తీసుకోండి, తరోగా ప్రిపేర్ అయిపోండి. అర్థమైందా?
ఓకే సార్.
ఓకే. సో అంటే ఏ కంపెనీకి పోయినా కానీ బాగానే ఉంటుంది. సో మీకు మంచి మంచి కంపెనీస్ వస్తాయి. మైక్రోచిప్ వస్తుంది, క్వాల్కమ్ వస్తుంది, సామ్సంగ్ సెమీ కండక్టర్స్ వస్తుంది. సో మైక్రోచిప్ అయితే ఇంకా గవర్నమెంట్ కంపెనీ లాగానే మీకు 14 lakhs పే చేస్తాడు. అసలు ఏం వర్క్ ఉండదు, చాలా తక్కువ వర్క్ ఉంటుంది. అర్థమైందా? సో చాలా బాగుంటుంది, మీరు ఎంజాయ్ చేయొచ్చు ఇట్లాంటి కంపెనీస్. సో డేటా స్ట్రక్చర్స్ అవి బాగా ప్రిపేర్ అవ్వండి.
ఓకే సార్.
ఓకేనా?
2019 వాళ్ళకి ఇంచుమించు ఏ కంపెనీస్ ఉన్నాయి సార్?
2019 వాళ్ళకి మైక్రోచిప్ కూడా అలో 2019 లాస్ట్ టైం అలో చేశారు. సో ఈసారి కూడా అడుగుతాం, చూస్తాం.
ఓకే సార్.
2020 సార్?
2020 ఆల్ కంపెనీస్ ఎలిజిబుల్. ఓకేనా?
ఓకే సార్.
కెన్ ఐ రైస్?
సార్.
So now I'm having void main while 1 printf hello. So what it will print basically?
It will print nothing.
What it will print?
Compilation error, sir.
Why it is compilation error?
Statement is there. Hello sir. Hello.
Hello. Hello? How many times? 1 time or 2 times? 3 times?
N times, sir.
N times. So why it is n times?
There is no n conditions there, sir.
While 1 is nothing but true. So other than 0, anything is true. This is a infinite loop. So hello will be printed infinite times. This is always true. Is that clear?
Yes,
Hello
sir.
will be printed infinite times. Note down this. Output is hello prints infinite times because 1 is nothing but true. So while 1 means this loop will never fail. So it will keep on iterating it. So the statement will print n number of times, infinite times. Clear? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, note on this.
Sir, in bracket.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
Hello, sir.
Yes, ma.
Sir, in bracket 2 or 3 numbers are there means what it will print?
2 or 3 members in the sense?
Number 2, number 3.
Any number. So 0 means it is false. Correct?
Okay.
0 indicates false. So 1, 2, -1, -2, any value other than 0, any value will be true. Clear? Other than true, any value will be true. So if you give any value here, it will print infinite times only, other than 0.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So if I want to print only once, so this statement I will not change. What I have to do? I want to print to hello only once. I will not change this statement. So while 1. So what I have to do?
Break
Excellent. So break is used to break the loop.
after printf.
Break is used to break the loop. Okay. That is true and infinite true. Both are same. True in the sense like in while loop, other than 0, anything is true only. Okay. 0 is nothing but false. Other than 0, anything is true only. It's nothing but by infinite. Clear, Naresh? Naresh, yeah. Can I raise?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So void main. So here what I will do, while 1 printf. So I want to print hello only once. So what we have to do? We have to give break inside the loop. So break, what it will do? It is used to exit the loop. Note on this. Break is used to exit the loop. So output will be just hello. Hello will be printed only once.
బ్రేక్ అంటే జస్ట్ వన్ టైం అవుట్పుట్ చూపించి ఎగ్జిట్ చేసేస్తున్నారు సార్.
బ్రేక్ హిట్ అవ్వగానే ఏమవుతుంది? లూప్ ఎగ్జిట్ అయిపోతుంది. లూప్ ని ఎగ్జిట్ చేస్తుంది, బ్రేక్ చేస్తుంది.
అంటే కంపైలర్ కి ఎలా తెలుస్తుంది సార్ ఒకసారి ప్రింట్అవుట్ చేయాలని హలోని?
కంపైలర్ కి ఏం తెలియదు. ఇప్పుడు వైల్ ఇక్కడికి వచ్చింది. సో వైల్ 1 ట్రూ ఉంది. కంట్రోల్ ఎక్కడికి వెళ్తుంది? నెక్స్ట్ స్టేట్మెంట్ ఇది. సో ప్రింట్ చేస్తుంది. ప్రింట్ అయిపోయింది. ప్రింట్ అయిపోయిన తర్వాత ఏమవుతుంది? నెక్స్ట్ స్టేట్మెంట్ ఇది. సో ఇక్కడికి వచ్చినప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది? బ్రేక్ ఉంది. సో బ్రేక్ వాట్ ఇట్ విల్ డూ? ఇట్ విల్ ఎగ్జిట్ ద లూప్.
ఓకే సార్.
అర్థమైందా?
yes sir.
Sir,
yes ma'am.
if we print hello 3 times or 4 times like this means?
Then you have to give for I is equal to 1, I less than 3, I plus plus. You can give printf in that.
Printf only.
So if you want to print I 3 times, hello 3 times means for I is equal to 1, I less than or equal to 3, I plus plus. Printf. So like this you can give. So when I is 1, I less than or equal to 3. So first hello will be printed. This is true. So I will be incremented to 2. So 2 less than or equal to 3 is true. Again, hello will be printed. So next 3 less than or equal to 3. Again, hello will be printed. Next 4 less than or equal to 3 is false. It will break the loop.
We can't do in while loop, right? So
while loop also we can do. While loop, how can we do is while I less than or equal to 3, printf hello here I plus plus we can do. Understood? So
Yes, sir.
I value is int I equal to
Int I.
1. So I is 1. 1 less than or equal to 3 is true. So hello will be printed. I will be incremented to 2. So 2 less than or equal to 3 is true. Again hello will be printed. Next 3 less than or equal to 3 is true. Again hello will be printed. Next this will become 4. 4 less than or equal to 3 is false. It will break the loop.
Out of the loop.
Clear?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Note down this. Done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what will happen if I give break here? Like what it mean? Int a equal to 2, comma b equal to 3. So here, if a less than b, continue. Printf just d, comma a comma b. So what will happen now? What will happen? Read out the statement. What I have given in the statement. What is the statement I have given? Continue should be
Continue.
used only inside loops. So we should not use
Oh,
continue outside the
in
loops.
condition.
So what will happen now?
Compilation error.
So this will
Compilation
throw
error.
compilation error. So continue should not be used outside the loops. Note down this. Same break also. Break also it will give compilation error. So break should not be used outside the loops or switch cases. Done up.
Yes, sir.
So break also same only. Break compilation error. Break should not be used outside the loops or switch cases. Note on this. Done. Can I erase?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now we have okay. So without loops, without using print the numbers from 1 to 10 without using for loop, while or do while. Is it possible? Print the numbers from 1 to 10 without using for, while or do while. Is that possible or not?
Yes, sir. Possible.
How?
Use if statement, sir.
Statement, it will not iterate the loop, right?
Oh, okay.
Again, you cannot come back to the statement where you have left in the if, correct? Is there any other method?
If else, sir.
If else also that is not possible, right? How can you do that?
For loop.
For loop you should not use. While loop also you should not use. Do while also you should not use. Is there any other method?
Okay.
String operation.
So
String.
we have done that already. So what all you did till now?
Ternary operation.
No, ternary you cannot iterate, right? There is like a if else only. We have done that. Go to.
By
go to-
giving flags, sir.
Label.
Go to. Go to is the
Oh,
solution.
go to.
So label. So first I will give int is equal to 1. So label, yes, label I'll write. So in this, what I will do, printf %d comma I. So now I will be incremented. I'll increment I, and so here I will check the condition. If I is less than or equal to, if I is less than or equal to 10, go to where we have to go to.
Label.
We'll go to label.
Label.
Otherwise, don't hit it. So now what will happen? What will happen? So initially I is 1, so 1 will be printed. I will be incremented to 2. 2 less than or equal to 10 is true. So go to label. It will hit the label. It will go to it will take the control to label. So now my value is 2. So 2 will be printed. So similarly, whenever 3 comes, 3 again it will hit the label. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 will be printed. Now I value got incremented to 11. So 11 less than or equal to 10 is false. It will not hit, go to, it will exit the function. Clear? Understood? Clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Note on this.
Yes, sir.
This is how we can do without using for, while, and do while. Without using loops, we can iterate the loop. We can iterate the statements using go to. Go to is used to take the control from anywhere to anywhere in the program. Go to is used to take control from anywhere to anywhere. Control. Go to is used to take control to anywhere in the program. You can say that, select this in the program. Done up?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now, so we are done with loops. So today and now we'll move on to switch. Switch is used to take the control to a particular case. Switch is used to take the control to a particular case. Note down this. Done up?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I will say, okay, so void main. So int choice equal to. So now, so here switch. So here what I will do, case 1, printf case 1. Case 2, printf, case 2, break. So default printf, default. So I'm closing the switch, I'm closing the main. So what it will print? So switch choice. So what is the choice? Choice is 2. So it will directly take the control to case 2. So now output is, what is output?
I am in case 2.
I am in case 2. So if I don't, if here break is there, so switch will break at this point and it will not go to default. So if you don't give break, so what will happen? Next I will tell you, just note down this.
Sir, if choice is 3 mentioned, int choice 3, here case 1, case 2 only present, then it will print default, sir. I
Yeah.
am default.
Other than 1 or 2, if you give anything, any value, then it will go to default. Clear?
Sir.
Just note on this. Next step. Is it done?
It's yes.
Okay, okay, no problem.
Done, sir.
Okay. So if I don't give, if I give 7 here, so what will happen?
Default.
I am in
Default.
default. It will print.
Output will be I am in
I'm in
default.
default.
I am in default. Note down this. Done now.
Yes, sir.
So now if I don't give break here, so if I don't give break here anywhere, so what will happen? What is the output? So now if I give 2 here, so now what is the output? So it will go to case 2. So I am in case 2 will be printed. I am in case 2. So next where it will go? So there is no break. So that underlying cases also it will get executed. So I am in default is also printed. So I will tell you what is break. Just note down this. If we don't provide break in the switch, the underlying case statements will get executed. That is what it will do. So note down this. I'll tell you the theory part. Dana, can I erase?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir.
So now note down this. If there is no break in the switch cases, the underlying case statements get executed. This is what it will happen here. So we'll stop at this point. So now Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, we'll go with basic programs, and from Thursday onwards, we'll start the strings. So string programs. So there, from there, I will start giving you the workout programs. So you can work out from there. So here I'm not giving any workout programs because this is everyone has to know. So if someone do and if someone don't do, if I give homework here, so then there would be an issue. So so here each and everything I'll what I can tell, I can spoon feed you. So from strings, I'll give you some workout programs. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, done. So yeah, any
Yes,
questions
sir.
till now? Okay, I'm having void main inter choice in choice equal to 2. So switch choice. So here what I will do, I'll give default at the starting. Is that right? Default printf. I'm at default. So break. Case 1 printf. I'm in case 1 break. Case 2 printf. I'm in case 2. So now what is output?
KS2, sir.
I am in case.
Can we give default anywhere?
Sir, ఎక్కడ పెట్టు డిఫాల్ట్ ఎక్కడున్నా పర్లేదు సార్.
Very good. So default can be given anywhere in the yes. Default is not mandatory. So mandatory in switch. It is not mandatory. If you don't give default also, then that's fine. So it won't throw any error. Okay, note down this. So output is I'm in case 2. Okay, note down this. ప్రోగ్రామ్ సెండ్ చేసావు కదా? చూస్తాను తేజ, నాకు టైం దొరకట్లేదు, చూసి నేను మళ్ళీ ఓకే డిస్కస్ చేద్దాం.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I'm having void main. So int a is equal to 1. Okay. So int choice is equal to say, so switch choice here case 1 printf I mean case 1 break, case 2 printf I'm in case 2. So break default printf I'm in default. So what it will print now here? What it will print?
I am in case 1.
Why I am in case 1?
I am in default, sir.
Why I am in default?
Its character,
Okay,
its value is 49
very good, very good. So here I have given character 1.
ASCII
Character
value,
1 is nothing but
49.
49. There is no 49 case. So it will go to default. Note on this. Choice is character 1. Its decimal value is 49, and there is no case 49. So it goes to default. So it goes to default. Not on this.
Sir, can you explain again?
Okay. So this is character 1, correct? Correct?
Yes, sir.
Usha. Character
sir.
1 is what? Character 1 is decimal value is what? Character 0 is nothing but 48. Character 1 is nothing but 49. Character 2 is nothing but 50. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Character 3 is 51. So character 1 is nothing but 49. There is no case 49. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So that's why it will go to default.
Okay.
Understood? Sure.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay, if you give here 49, if you give case 49 or character 1, then it will go here. So there is no case 49 or case character 1. So that's why it will go to default. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, not all this. Can I erase?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now I will do void main int a is equal to 50. So sorry, choice a equal to 50. Int choice equal to 50. Switch choice. So now case 1 printf I mean case 1. case 2 printf, I mean case break. So default printf, I'm in default. I'm in default. So now what it will print?
It will
Case
print I
two.
am in case 2.
I mean because
Case 2.
character 2 is nothing but 50. So now you have given 50, so it will go to character 2. So I mean case 2 will be printed. Very good. Clear?
Yes, sir.
I mean case 2.
Sir,
Sir,
Yeah, Ganapati. Sir,
sir, after every case we need break, sir.
if you don't give break, the underlying case statements will be printed. Last time I told you, right?
Okay, yes, sir.
So for example, if I don't give break here, so what it will do, it will print I'm in case 2 and it will go to default and it will print I'm in default also. Both it will do. It will print.
Okay, sir.
Understood, Ganapati?
Yes, sir.
sir,
Yes.
sir. సో ఓన్లీ ఇక్కడ ఇంటిజర్ వాల్యూసే కాకుండా ఫ్లోట్ వాల్యూస్ కూడా ప్రింట్ చేస్తారు సార్ కేసులో స్విచెస్.
నెక్స్ట్ అదే చెప్తాను. Can I erase?
Yes, sir.
So now I am having void main float a is equal to 2.5. Switch a. Switch a. Case 1.5. Printf. I'm at 1.5. Break. Case 2.5. Printf. I'm at 2.5. Break. Default. Printf. I'm in default. Now you tell me what is the output here?
ఎర్రర్.
Why it is error?
ఫ్లోట్ వాల్యూస్ స్విచెస్ లో తీసుకోలేం.
Very good, very good. Output is compilation error. Float is not allowed in switch. Float is not allowed in switch as it contains precision. Okay, not on this. Ultra error, compilation error. So only integers and characters is allowed in switch. Done?
Yes, sir.
Is that clear, everyone? So float is not allowed inside switch as it contains precision 2.51111 and all it will contain. So precision and all it is not allowed in switch. So that's why if you put float value in switch, it will throw compilation error. Can I erase this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now I'm having, wait me. So int choice equal to 4. Int choice equal to say 4. So switch choice. So what I will do, switch sorry, case 2 into 2. F case 2 into 2. Break. Default. Printf. Default. So what is the output it will print?
Case 1, sir. Case 2 into 2.
Why
I
it
mean
is so why it is 2 into 2?
4 on sir. 2 into 2 means 4.
Is operations allowed inside switch?
Yes, sir.
Yes, very good. So operations is allowed inside switch. It will print operations is allowed inside switch case. So it prints case 2 into 2. Yes, 2 into 2 because 2 into 2 is nothing but 4. So this is choice 4. So it will go to case 2 into 2 and it will print case 2 into 2. Operations is allowed inside switch case or in switch case. Is that clear, everyone? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Everything is allowed. Operation means addition, subtraction, multiplication, everything is allowed in switch.
Sir.
Yeah.
సార్ ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ ఏబి ప్లస్ సిడి టైప్ లో అలా తీసుకుని అవుతుంది కదా సార్?
ఏది
ఇక్కడ 4 ఇప్పుడు మనం ఇక్కడ 4 ఇచ్చారు కదా సార్, చాయిస్ ఇంట్ చాయిస్ అని.
ఏమన్నా ఇవ్వచ్చు, ఇక్కడ వేరియబుల్ నీ ఇష్టం.
అంటే ఇక్కడ 4 కాకుండా మనం ఇక్కడ ఆపరేషన్స్ ఇచ్చుకోవచ్చు కదా సార్?
ఏది
ఇప్పుడు 2 into 2 అనుకుని ఇక్కడ కూడా మనం ర్యాంకింగ్ చేయొచ్చు కదా సార్?
ఇవ్వచ్చు.
ఓకే.
Clear? Yes, Chinna?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So next one is next question is like this. So write me int choice equal to 4. So switch choice. So case 2 into 2. F and case 2 into 2. So break. Case 4. F case 4. Break. So where it will go now?
Case
It will go to
2
case.
Yes.
Why it is going to case 2 into 2?
Sir, because 4 is 4 value assigned.
Sir, actually, after the first case 2 into 2, it will break, sir. It will not go to case 4.
Everything is allowed, Naresh. Power in the sense you cannot do here 2 power and all we cannot give. So,
Sir,
but
in-
operations is allowed. Yes, tell me.
Sir, in 4 means that is 52 will assign.
No, this is not character 4. Normal.
Character.
If I give character 4, then 52 will be assigned. This is not character 4. No, this is a normal decimal 4. Kira, Usha.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what it will print?
Case 2 into 2.
Case 2 into 2, sir.
It will throw compilation error. Compilation error. So duplicate cases is not allowed in switch. Duplicate.
Sir, ఇది
Ah,
సార్ యాక్చువల్లీ మనకి కేస్ 1 అయిన తర్వాత బ్రేక్ అవుతుంది కదా సార్. సో నెక్స్ట్ స్టెప్ నాది రీడ్ చేయట్లేదు కదా సార్.
అంతకు ముందే ఏమైతుందంటే ఇది కంపైలర్ అన్న ఇది సి వాట్ ఇట్ విల్ టేక్. సో ఇట్ విల్ టేక్ సి హ్యాస్ కంపైలర్. సో కంపైలర్ ఇన్ ద సెన్స్ ఇట్ విల్ టేక్ ద complete data as input. So whenever it is taking the complete data as input, this is also case 4 and this is also case 4. Correct?
ఓకే, ఎస్ సార్.
So this is duplicate statement. Why here it will throw error? Because whenever it comes to switch choice, so compiler doesn't know where it has to take, whether it has to control has to go here or go here. Compiler doesn't know. So that's why it will throw error. Understood? What switch will do? It will take the control to a particular case statement. So here two duplicates are there. Whenever duplicates is there, compiler doesn't know where it has to go, whether it has to go here or it has to go here. So it throws compilation error. Clear?
Okay, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir, clear.
Duplicate case is not allowed in switch. Note down this. Geeta, yours is first class, no? Or you have heard about this, like
Yeah.
previous
No, sir.
session?
Today is the meeting class is first one, sir. I listen the class recording class only. Previous 12 to 23 class.
Sure. You can listen. If you don't understand, you can join with the next batch also. Okay. In another
Okay,
10,
sir.
15 days, next batch will join. Will
Okay,
start.
sir.
So you can join there. Okay.
No issue, sir. I have listened the class previous 8 to 10 class.
Okay.
I have a little bit some doubts. I will ask personally, sir.
Sure. You can ask me in my personal window. I can join in Zoom and explain also if you have any doubts. Okay.
But I didn't ask that only 23rd class, sir, because that is showing passcode incorrect, sir.
Okay. I think Ravi
You
sir
have
will-
to include point.
dot also you have to include that.
Okay, sir. I will check it once, sir.
Sure. Okay.
సార్ ఒకవేళ మనం డిఫాల్ట్ ఇచ్చినా సరే డిఫాల్ట్ తీసుకోదా సార్?
తీసుకోదు. అంటే ఇక్కడ నీకు either ఇక్కడికి వెళ్ళాలి. సో 2 కేసెస్ ఉన్నప్పుడు డూప్లికేట్స్ అంటే it doesn't know where it has to go, where it has to take the control.
ఓకే సార్.
ఓకే. కంపైలర్ కి అర్థం కాదు ఎక్కడికి తీసుకెళ్ళాలి, ఇక్కడికి తీసుకెళ్ళాలి. సో దట్స్ వై ఇట్ విల్ త్రో ఎర్రర్. క్లియరా?
ఎస్ సార్.
కెన్ ఐ రేస్?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I'm having void main here. Switch 25781. So case 1 printf, case 1 break, case 2 printf, case 2 break, default printf default. So now you tell me what is the output of this one.
సార్ ఫస్ట్ కేస్ కి స్లాష్ అన్న అవసరం లేదు సార్.
పర్లేదండి, ఒక ఏముంది స్లాష్ అనేది మ్యాండటరీ కాదు అది.
సార్ బ్రేక్ వచ్చింది కదా సార్. బ్రేక్ ఇస్తే అక్కడ ఆగిపోద్ది కదా సార్. ఇంకోటి స్లాష్ అని ఇచ్చినా ఇవ్వకపోయినా ఒకటి కదా సార్.
ఒకటే. So now you can tell me what is the answer here.
Default value.
Why it is default?
Because more cases are there. That's why it will take default.
No. Naresh, 2, this is not there. This is not 2 power 2. We have this operator is XOR in C. This I will tell you later. There is no power in C. Okay. Okay. So where it will go? I have already told you. If you give like this, so what will happen? 25781. If I give like this, so what will happen? Which is having highest priority here?
Brackets, sir.
Brackets. Very good. So we have done already one program.
Yes, sir.
Int.
Yes, sir. Output is case 1, sir.
Very good. A equal to 25781. What is the value of A?
1.
Because brackets is having high priority to take the complete data as input. So next priority is comma. Comma goes from left to right. Initially it will hold 2, leave 2, and it will hold 5. Next 5 it will leave, it will hold 7. Next 7 it will leave, it will hold 8. Next 8 it will leave, it will hold 1. Finally control what it is holding 1. So that 1 will be assigned to A. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Clear or not? So
Yes,
same logic, same thing here also. So brackets is having highest priority. So it goes from left to right. Finally, what value it will be holding?
Yes.
1. So it will go to case 1. Is that clear? So case 1 will be printed. Hope everyone is clear here. Clear, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Note down. So your batch is many people are started preparing well. So continue the same. Like you might have already known that we are almost done with 32 batch. Only few candidates is left out in 31 and 32. Maybe some 4 or 5 candidates only. So we'll finish those candidates also this week and next week. And we'll be coming for 33 and 34 in 3 to 4 weeks. So we'll come back to you in a month or so. So daily you prepare well, because we have huge number of requirements for, as I told you, 100 plus for this JDF. So like that, many companies are there now. So Microchip and all, they are coming back. So we have so for Samsung also we have requirements. So which pays 12 plus. So prepare well and don't miss any mock interviews. Attend the mock interviews and get ready yourself. Please get ready to start the interviews by end of May. Okay. So as I told you, parallel sessions will start by end of this week, maybe from Friday. Clear?
Yes,
The
sir.
ZF company, there is not their embedded domain, sir.
ZF is embedded only.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Pure embedded. ZF is pure embedded.
Okay, in Bangalore or Hyderabad location, sir?
It's a Hyderabad location. Now they are recruiting for Hyderabad location.
Okay.
Hyderabad is the main branch for ZF in India.
Okay.
ZF they pay less only, but they have huge requirement. They pay 5.5 lakhs only, but it's a very nice company.
Sir, is there any company Hyderabad location other than ZF, sir?
There are many more. There are many. We have many companies in Hyderabad. So we have Danla. We have this one Microchip. We have this Qualcomm. Qualcomm pays for Hyderabad location they are paying 16 lakhs, and for Bangalore location they are paying 27.3 lakhs. So they came up last time, but we don't have candidates. By the time all candidates got selected, so we have not given any candidate to Qualcomm, but we have given to Microchip last February. Okay, Microchip pays 14 and 15 for Chennai location. Can I raise?
Sir,
Yes, ma'am.
2019 batch is eligible for ZF.
2019 is not eligible for ZF. 2020 and 2021. Okay. So, but don't worry, we will give same company, like we will send you for Veoneer. Veoneer is same, whatever ZF is paying, same only it will pay. It is also automotive. And in Continental also they will allow. They will pay 7 lakhs automotive only.
Okay.
Okay. So only in ZF they are asking 2020 and 2021. We will convince them. Maybe this time we will try to convince them for 2019. Okay, done.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now I'm having void main. So int choice switch choice equal to 2 into 2.25. Okay. So printf sorry. Case 4 printf break. Case 5 printf 5 break. Default printf default. So now what it will print? What is the output?
Compilation errors.
Compilation.
Why it is compilation error?
Float will not allowed in switch case.
Okay, if I give int a is equal to 2 into 2.5. So what is a value?
2.50.
A
So
value.
we only considering integer values, na sir. It takes
No,
2 into 2.
here
4
what is a value? Tell me. Here what is a value?
4.5.
So 4.5 you will get, but whenever you are assigning this 4.5, so what it will take? Will it take 4.5 or 4?
4.
In typecasting we have discussed, right? So A will
Yes, sir.
take only 4. The decimal point it won't take. So now here what will happen?
Case 1.
Case
Case 4.
So it will go to case 4.
Yes.
So 2 into 2.5. So it is 4.5. So whenever it assigns, so it equal to goes from right to left. Whenever it assigns, so it will take only 4. So so it will go to case 4. Clear?
Sir, if you
Hmm.
sir, if you give float means it will take 4.5, right?
Yes, 4.5. So that time it will
Then
throw error.
that time compilation error.
Error. Yes. Clear, right? Everyone.
Sir.
So whenever it assigns, so what is the value? It will go to case choice. It will go 4 to choice. So now it will go to choice 4 and it will print. Output will be 4. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Not on this. Done. Can I erase?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is about switch. So now we will see some small programs in this C. So basic programs, C basic programs. So now what is the difference between modulus and divided by? What is the difference? So if I give void main, so int a is equal to 25. Okay, so int b is equal to 7. Int c is equal to 25 modulus of sorry, a mod b. Int c is equal to a mod b. Int d is equal to a divided by b. So printf %d comma c comma d. So what is c value and what is d value?
C value 24.
3, 4.
D value 4, sir.
3, 4, sir.
3, 4. Okay.
4, 3, sir.
So 4, 3. Okay. So let us see. So now 25. So if you divide this 7 3s 21. So what is the remainder? 4. So divided by will give remainder or quotient?
Question.
Quotient. Divided by will give quotient. What is remainder?
Modulus.
Modulus. So remainder is modulus. Okay. So this is modulus value. So now you tell me what is C value? What is C value?
4.
C value is 4 because it's a remainder. Modulus. D value is
3.
3. It's a quotient. Is that clear? Not on this.
Sir,
Yes, ma'am.
sir, I'm 2018 batch, sir.
Who? Geeta. Who is 2018?
Your voice is breaking, sir.
Now is it fine, Geeta? For others, is my voice?
Your mic is
Yes, sir, clear, sir.
your
Clear,
mic is
sir.
clear.
I'm
Okay.
not audible, sir.
You are audible, Geeta. You are audible. Yeah, tell me, Geeta.
Yeah, sir. I am 2018 passed out, sir.
Don't worry, Geeta. Don't worry. Only few companies they will ask 2020, 21 and all. So many of the companies who is visiting radar, they don't ask about the password. Don't worry about it. Okay. So even we are trying to make it feasible for others also. So we will do that. Don't worry. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Don't worry about it. So we even last week 2015 candidate got placed.
Okay. In which company, sir?
This one Hyderabad. What is that? Innomines.
Okay.
Okay.
That's what I'm worrying, sir. I am so thinking a lot because of this passed out only.
No, don't worry, ma. We have very good companies. So whoever is taking from our institute, whenever they are coming for the second time, we are convincing everyone. But only ZF, we have not spoke with them. We have not taken them into the meeting mode. So definitely we will talk to them also. But don't worry, we will take care of it.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Dana?
Sir.
So now you tell me, so what is how can you find out whether the given number is even or odd? For example, if I give n is equal to 7, so how will you write a code for this? So how will you find out whether the given number is even or odd? This is an odd number. So how will you find out? How will you write a code for this one? If will you give n divided by 2 or n mod 2? 7. So if I divide this by 2, so 2 3 6, so remainder is 1. So if I take 8, so 2 4s 8, remainder is 0. So if I divide, if I do modulus with 2 with the given number, so if you get 0, what is that? Even number. So if I do modulus with 2 for the given number, if you get 1, what is that? Odd number. So how can you write a code for this? If n divided by 2 or modulus of 2?
Modulus of 2.
If n modulus of 2 double equal to 0, then it is even. Correct? Else it is odd. Correct? So just write down the scenario. We will write the program for this one.
Sir,
Yes, ma'am.
sir, we can do divide also, right?
Divide, how you will get? So if I give 27,
Consider this one.
27 divided.
Quotient.
Quotient we cannot consider. 27 divided by 7 is how much? 13. Correct? So this is different value. The same thing you do for 15. 15 divided by 2. So what is the value you will get? 7. So is this the same for an even value? I mean for odd value? No, right? So how many you can give like this? So you cannot give this.
Okay.
So If you do modulus, so if it is odd number, you will get 1. If it is even number, you will get 0. So this is simple. You'll get the answer. Correct? Here you won't get. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can I erase?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now void main int n is equal to say 27. So if n modulus of 2 double equal to 0. So what it is? Printf. The number is even or odd?
Even.
Even. Else printf, the number is odd. So clear? Hope everyone is clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Note down this. Can I erase?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So how will you find out the given number is prime or not? So what are all the prime numbers we have? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, say 17, 19, 23. Okay. So 29. These are all prime numbers, correct?
Yes, sir.
So prime number in the sense whether it will be divisible by itself or by 1. That's it. So it should not be divisible by any other number. So for example, if I take 23, so what I have to do? The number is 23. So first what I have to do? So this n is 23. So from 2 I will start. So n modulus of 2. So I will check whether it is equal to 0 or not. If it is not equal to 0, I will check n modulus of 3. So this is also not equal to 0. N modulus of 4. This is also not equal to 0. N modulus of 5. So this is also not equal to 0. N modulus of 6. This is also not equal to 0. N modulus of 7. This is also not equal to 0. So n modulus of 8. This is also not equal to 0. So n modulus of 9. That is 23 modulus of 9 not equal to 0. So n modulus of 10. This is also not equal to 0. N modulus of 11. So this is also not equal to 0. So now n, this value becomes 12. So 12 into 2 is nothing but 24. Correct? Is that clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So 12 into 2 is nothing but 24. So there is no need to check with 12. So if it is not divisible till 11, and if the value reaches 12, we can say that the number is not the number is prime number. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Clear or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes.
So you can take this as I. So I value is initially 2. So n mod 2 is not equal to 0. N mod 3 is not equal to 0. I value will be incremented to 4. N mod 4 is not equal to 0. Like that we will do. So I will do till 11. So whenever it reaches 12, so there is no need to check with 12 because 12 to 24. So it's not required to check with this. It's enough until 11. So if it is not divisible until 11, we can say that the number is prime number. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hope everyone understood. Usha, clear, Amma? Usha is there? Okay. Satyam, yeah. Usha.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Sir, up to 11 only we should do.
Yes, ma. Why? Because see 23, right? So 2, 3 with 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. It is not divisible, correct?
Yes, sir.
So 12 it is not required. Why? Because 12 into 2 is nothing but 24.
24.
It is more than
It
this
is
value.
more than this.
Correct? Is that clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Usha.
Clear. Yes, sir. Clear.
So if it is not divisible this till this point, that is enough. So you can say that the number is prime number. Okay, right? Can I erase?
Previous one.
Okay. You want to write that up? Not all this. Then can I erase?
Sir.
Yes.
Okay. So how can we write a program for this one? Void main. Say int n is equal to 23. This is the number. This is the input. So int I. So for I is equal to 2, I less than or equal to, till where we have to check?
11.
11.
11. That is n by 2. N by 2 is nothing but 11. Is that clear? 23 by 2 is 11.
Yes, sir.
So n by 2 I plus plus. So now if in any case, if n mod I double equal to 0, anywhere it is divisible. Okay, then what you will do? What you will do? If it is divisible anywhere, you will break the loop. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Otherwise, you will continue. So here what will happen? So with 2 it is not divisible, 3 it is not divisible, 4 it is not divisible, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 it is not divisible. So 11 it is not divisible. So I value reaches to 12, correct?
Yes.
So now 12 is less than n by 2 now. So 12 less than n by 2 is 11. So 23 by 2 is 11. So is that true?
No.
12 less than or equal to false. So it will break the loop. So I value reaches more than n by 2 value if it is not divisible anywhere. Is that clear?
Sir, మళ్ళీ explain చేస్తారు.
సో ఇప్పుడు ఎక్కడ డివిజిబుల్ కాలేదు కాబట్టి సో 2, 3 ఐ వాల్యూ 3 అయింది, మళ్ళీ 4 అయింది, ఇక్కడ డివిజిబుల్ కాల, 5 తో డివిజిబుల్ కాల, 6 తో డివిజిబుల్ కాల, 7 తో డివిజిబుల్ కాలేదు, ఐ వాల్యూ ఇంక్రిమెంట్ అయింది, 8 తో డివిజిబుల్ కాలేదు, 9 తో కాలేదు, 10 తో కాలేదు, 11 తో కాలేదు. నౌ ఐ వాల్యూ విల్ బికమ్ 12. సో 12 తో చెక్ చేయాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. సో 12 less than or equal to 11 n by 2, that is 11 is wrong, is false, కరెక్టా?
Yes, sir.
సో ఇక్కడ ఫెయిల్ అయిపోతుంది, ఇక్కడ లూప్ అనేది ఫెయిల్ అవుతుంది. సో ఫెయిల్ అయ్యి బయట వచ్చేస్తుంది. సో బయట వచ్చినప్పుడు ఐ వాల్యూ ఎంత ఉంది? 12 ఉంది. So what is n by 2 value? What is n by 2? 23 by 2 ఎంత?
Remainder.
11. 23 by 2 is 11. కరెక్టా? సో అంటే ఎక్కడ డివిజిబుల్ కాకపోతే ఈ వాల్యూ కంటే కూడా ఈ వాల్యూ ఎక్కువ ఉంటుంది. అర్థమైందా?
ఓకే సార్.
సో ఐ వాల్యూ వచ్చేసి n by 2 కంటే ఎక్కువ ఉంటుంది. సో నౌ అది చెక్ చేస్తాం ఇక్కడ. సో ఇఫ్ I value is greater than n by 2. So printf, the number is prime. Else printf, the number is not prime. ఇంకొక ఎగ్జాంపుల్ తీసుకుని కూడా చెప్తాను చూడండి. సో ఇక్కడ 15 తీసుకున్నాం అనుకోండి. We will take 15. So first we will divide with 2. 15 modulus of 2 is what? 0 na? No, it is not equal to 0. It is 1. So again I will be incremented to 3. So 3 less than or equal to 15 by 2 is how much? 7. So 3 less than or equal to 7 is true. So it will come here. So n modulus of 15 modulus of 3 double equal to 0 or not?
Yes, 0.
It is 0. Loop will break. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So what is I value now? What is I value?
3.
I value is 3. What is n by 2 value?
7.
7. So 3 greater than 7. Is that true?
False.
No, sir, false.
False. So it will print the number is not prime. Is that clear? అర్థమైంది లేదా? అంటే ఎక్కడ డివిజిబుల్ కాకపోతే ఐ వాల్యూ n by 2 కంటే ఎక్కువ అవుతుంది. ఎక్కడైనా డివిజిబుల్ అయింది అనుకోండి, ఇక్కడ బ్రేక్ అయిపోతుంది. సో బ్రేక్ అయినప్పుడు ఐ వాల్యూ విల్ బి లెస్ దెన్ n by 2. ఓకే, నౌ హియర్ విత్ 3 15 is divisible. 15 modulus of 3 is 0. So now loop will break. So what is I value? I value is 3 only. So what is n by 2 value? 15 divided by 2 is nothing but 7. So n by 2 value is 7. So 3 is less than 7. So we can say that the number is not prime. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Understood or not?
Sir, understood.
Sir, yes, sir.
Okay, note down this.
సార్
Yes.
ఫర్ లూప్ ఇప్పుడు ఫర్ లూప్ ఉపయోగించకుండా ఓన్లీ ఇఫ్ యూజ్ చేస్తూ రాయలేము సార్ ప్రోగ్రామ్.
ఇఫ్ తో నువ్వు లూప్ ఎంత అవన్నీ డివిజిబుల్ డివైడ్ చేయాలి కదా, ఈ వాల్యూస్ అన్ని డివైడ్ చేయాలి కదా. ఇఫ్ తో ఎలా చేస్తావు లూప్ లేకుండా? చేయలేవు కదా.
కానీ
So,
అంటే
మోర్ దెన్ 1 వాల్యూ అన్నప్పుడు కంపల్సరీ లూప్ కావాలి.
ఓకే సార్.
అంటేనా?
Yes, sir.
So can I erase?
Oh, wait, sir. Wait. Yes, sir. Finish.
So again I will tell you. So see 23 తీసుకున్నాం అనుకోండి. 23 divided by 2 is 23 divided by 2 is nothing but 11. So till 11 if it is not divisible. So with 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. So I value will go to 12. So if it is not divisible, I value reaches to 12, which is greater than this one. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
So now you can say that if I value is greater than this one, then you can say that the number is prime number. It is not divisible. anywhere. So if I take 15 here, so 15 divided by 2 is what? 7.
7.
So now you see I value starts from 2. So 15. So with 2 it is not divisible. So okay, fine. So I value is incremented to 3. With 3, 15 is divisible or not?
Yes.
Yes, divisible.
So 15 is divisible. So loop will break here. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now 3 is greater than 7. Is that true?
No.
No, sir.
No. So in this case, it says that the number is not prime. In this case, it says that number is prime.
Prime.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Clear or not?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. So just go through whatever we have discussed today. Tomorrow we will see more number of programs on print.
Sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Sir, prime number, once again, please let me know, sir. I don't know that much.
Sure, Geeta. See, I will take one number. So int n is equal to, say I'll give, yesterday I have given 23. Okay. So 23 is a prime number, correct, Geeta?
Okay, sir.
So prime number in the sense what? It should be divisible by itself or by 1. That's it. So it should not be divisible by any other number.
Okay.
Yeah. So actually we have to do it from where from 2 to 22 we have to do, correct?
Okay.
But here it is not required from till 22. So we can do till 2 to 23 by 2 is what?
11.
What is 11? So if you do till 11 and
11.
if the value, if it is not divisible with anywhere, so then we can say that the number is prime number. So because 12 into 2 is nothing but 24.
20.
It is greater than this number. So this is not required to do. Correct?
Okay.
Correct or not?
Correct, sir.
So now we will do from 12 to 11. So till from 2 to 11. From 2 to 11, if this number is not divisible with all these numbers, then we can say that the number is prime number. Is that clear?
Okay, sir.
Clear or not?
Yes.
So if I take 19, so till where we have to do? 2 to
9.
9. So because 10 into 2 is nothing but 20, it will go greater than that. Clear? So if it is not divisible till 9, so then we can say that the number is prime number. Clear?
Okay.
So say 19 modulus of 2, if it is not equal to 0, so I value will be incremented to 3. 19 modulus of 3 not equal to 0. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So not equal to 0. Anywhere it is not divisible. So what n value will be? I value will become 10. So 10 is greater than this number 9. Correct?
Okay.
So 10 is greater than 9. So till 10 it came. Correct, Geeta?
Yes, sir.
So you can say that the number is prime number. I value reaches 10. So which is greater than n by 2. Clear?
Okay, sir.
So if I take 15. So here 15 modulus of 2 is 0 na? No, not equal to 0. Next 15 modulus of 3 is not equal to 0 na? No, it is equal to 0. Correct? So 15, 3. 3 5 15, remainder is 0. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So here we will break the loop. What is I value? I value is 3.
3.
So what is 15 by 2 value? 7. So 3 greater than 7.
Yes, sir.
No. So we can say that this number is not prime. Clear? If I value reaches more than this value, then we can say that the number is prime number. Clear? In this scenario, I value has reached more than n by 2 value, that is 9. So we can say that this number is prime. Here also I value has reached 12, which is greater than 11, that is n by 2, 12, 23 by 2. So we can say that this number is prime. Here in this scenario, so here itself it failed. Clear?
Okay, sir.
Clear, Geeta? Any
Yes,
questions?
sir. Clear. No, sir. Clear.
Okay. So that's why we have written like this. Int n is equal to say 23. So for I is equal to int I. For I is equal to 2, I less than n less than or equal to n by 2 I plus plus. Clear? So till n by 2 we will go. That is till 11. Okay. Is it clear? Clear, amma? If n modulus of I double equal to 0, if anywhere it is divisible, we will break the loop. Otherwise, we will keep on incrementing. So if nowhere it is divisible, so what will happen? I will become 12, which is greater than 11. So here it will break. Clear? Okay. So hope everyone is clear. Get a clear, ma?
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Okay. So now you have to find out the, okay, print the prime numbers from 1 to 10. Sorry, 1 to 100. You can print all the prime numbers from 1 to 100. This you can do. You can try yourself. Clear? So note down this question. We'll go for the next one. If you don't get, I will tell you tomorrow this one. Can I erase? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sure.
So I'm having one number. Int n is equal to 785. I want to split 5 separately. I want to split 8 separately, and I want to split 7 separately. So is that possible? I want to extract 5 separately. I want to extract 8 separately. I want to extract 7 separately. Is it possible or not?
Yes, sir.
So how is it possible?
Digit place, sir. 10th place, 100th place.
So how can you extract that? I want to separate. I mean, I want to take out 5 separately.
Divide by 100, sir. Divide by 1, divide by 100, and divide by 10, sir.
How can you write it using a program? Divide by or modulus?
Modulus, sir.
Modulus.
Okay. So how will you write a program for this one? So I'll take while n is greater than. So what is 785 modulus of 785? 10 with modulus. If you do 10, so what is the value you'll get? 10 sevens, 70, 85, 10 eights, 80. So what is the remainder?
5, sir.
5. We have extracted 5. What is the remaining value?
78.
78.
780.
So you have extracted 5. Remaining value is 78. Again, you will do 10. So 10 sevens, 70. So what is the remainder?
8.
8.
You have extracted 8. Again, remaining value is 7.
7.
So again, you will do with 10. 10 zeros, 0. So what is the remainder?
7.
You have extracted 5 separately, 8 separately, and 7 separately. Is that clear? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What we have to write? While n greater than 0. N is greater than, now n is 785. So what I will do? X is equal to n modulus of 10. So now what is x value?
7,
What is
sir.
x value? 7.
5.
785 modulus of
5.
5.
5.
5 5s.
First we have extracted 5. So now n, what we have to do? N is equal to n divided by 10. So what is n value?
78.
78.
Again you will go. 78 is greater than 0. So x is equal to n mod 10. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So x is equal to n modulus of 10. So now this is what is the value now? 78 modulus of 10, modulus of 10.
8, sir.
8. 8 has been extracted separately. Now n is equal to n by 10. So n value is 7 now. So 7 is greater than 0. X is equal to n mod 10. 7 mod 10 is what?
7, sir.
7.
So n is equal to n by 10. So n value is 0. So 0 greater than 0 is false. It will break the loop.
Loop.
Is it clear? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Clear or not? Clear or
Yes,
not?
sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Note down this.
Sir, this 8, 7, sir. 8, 7, sir.
Which one?
5 understood, sir. 5 extracting 8 and 7, sir. How we
5 you
understood?
have extracted, correct? Now
Yes,
what is
sir.
the remaining value? 785. 785 divided by 10 is what?
78.
So what is
78.
n value?
78.
78.
78. So 70, n is 78. 78 is greater than 0. Now x equal to again n by 2. N mod 10. So 78 modulus of 10 is what?
8.
8.
8. 8 you have extracted. So you can print it here. Understood?
Yes.
Yes.
Clear, Ramesh?
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Okay. Note down this. I'll write the program for this. This is just scenario. Note down the scenario.
సార్ ఒకసారి మళ్ళీ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయరా సార్?
Sure. సో ఇప్పుడు సాయి ఇప్పుడు 785 ఉంది, కరెక్టా?
ఎస్ సార్.
785 అనేది గ్రేటర్ దెన్ 0, కరెక్టా?
ఎస్ సార్.
సో 785 మోడలస్ ఆఫ్ 10 ఎంత వస్తుంది?
5 సార్.
5 వస్తుంది. సో 5 ని ఎక్స్ట్రా స్టోర్ చేస్తాం, అర్థమైందా?
ఎస్ సార్.
సో రిమైనింగ్ వాల్యూని n లో స్టోర్ చేస్తాం. n is equal to n by 10. సో n by 10 ఎంత వస్తుంది?
78.
78. సో 5 ని ఆల్రెడీ ఎక్స్ట్రాక్ట్ చేసేసినాం. సో రిమైనింగ్ వాల్యూ 78. మళ్ళీ లూప్కి వెళ్తుంది. సో లూప్ 78, n is 78. 78 is greater than 0.
0.
కరెక్టా?
ఎస్ సార్.
అగైన్ x is equal to n mod 10. అంటే ఎంత?
8.
8. 78 modulus of 10 ఎంత? 8. So 8 you have extracted separately. So now n is equal to n divided by 10. So 78 divided by 10 ఎంత వస్తుంది?
8 సార్.
78 divided by 7, 10.
ఎస్ సార్.
7.
7 సార్.
కోషంట్ డివైడెడ్ బై వచ్చేసి కోషంట్ మోడస్ రిమైండర్, అర్థమైందా?
ఓకే సార్.
సో 7 is greater than 0. This is true. So x is equal to n mod 10. So n mod 10 ఎంత వస్తుంది? 7 modulus of 10. 7 రిమైండర్. సో x లోకి ఆ 7 స్టోర్ చేసుకుంటావు. సో n is equal to n by 10. సో 7 divided by 10 ఎంత?
0.
0 greater than 0 not.
So now 0 greater than 0 అనేది false. It will break the loop.
ఓకే సార్. థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్. ఎస్ సార్, అర్థం.
Okay. Note down the scenario. I will write the program for this. So for 2022 batch exams is over for anyone or?
So for me completed, sir.
Naresh, for you it's completed, 2022.
Complete.
Okay,
Yeah, sir.
Naresh completed.
This
Okay.
month of 14 completed.
Oh, okay, good. So whoever is exams is there, no? During that time, I mean, if everyone is having at the same time, we will stop 1 or 2 days. Okay, so you can continue. You can let me know. So when is your exams, the dates and all. Okay, can I erase?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now I'm having void main. Int n is equal to 785. So int x. So while n is greater than 0, so x is equal to n modulus of 10. So n is equal to n divided by 10. So printf percentage d new line comma x. So now what it will print? It will print 5 first, next 8 next, then 7 last. Is that clear? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Clear, everyone? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Yes, ma'am.
sir, is there any possibility to get an opportunity in a ZF company for a 2018 batch, sir?
We will check Gita. We have better companies than ZF. Don't worry about ZF only. We will check.
Because I need a Hyderabad location only, sir. That's why.
We have Hyderabad many companies, ma. Don't worry. Okay.
Okay.
Not only ZF, we have many product-based companies. So
Because
please-
my marriage was fixed in next month only. My husband also is there in Hyderabad and microchip only. That's why, sir.
Okay. Microchip, we will try. But if openings is there, definitely we will provide opportunity there. So if openings is not there, you can go for any company. Whenever opportunity comes, then we will move you to microchip.
Okay, sir.
Understood?
Okay,
Even many people did like that only. So when initially they joined some companies. So even Dikshita has joined Leica Wireless initially. Okay. So
Okay, sir.
once opportunity came, so she has not asked. I only asked her. So I only asked everyone. So there is a microchip opportunity. So whether you are interested or not. So many people told they are not interested, but I forcefully sent a few people. They got selected. Okay. So everywhere the work will be good. You will enjoy the work. Not only in ZF or microchip. So you'll enjoy everywhere. So wherever we are sending. So if you feel there you want to move to microchip or ZF, so you can let me know. Okay, whenever opportunity comes, we will move to that. Anyways, you will be there in the mock group only. So you'll be coming to know, you'll be knowing what are all the companies coming. So like even if you quit the radar. Okay. Geeta, clear? Hello? Am I
Yes, sir.
audible?
Yes, sir. Yeah,
So
sir.
even if you get job and if you go out from radar, so when all the companies, you will come to know what are all the companies that is coming. So you can let me know if you are interested for whenever microchip comes or Qualcomm comes. So if you are interested, you can definitely attend. So we will not stop you.
Okay, sir. Because my main preference and location is Hyderabad only, sir. That's why I'm asking, sir.
Hyderabad, there are a number of companies. So don't worry.
Okay, sir.
No. Can I raise?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So find the sum of digits in given number. Find the sum of digits in given number. So for example, I'm having int n is equal to say 786 only. We can take or 785, whatever it is. So you need to find the sum of this digits. 7 plus 8 plus 6. So what is the sum? 21. So it has to print 21. So your program has to print 21. So how will you do this? How will you do this?
By modulus.
So you will extract 6 first. 6. So I will take sum is equal to 0 initially. So now what you will do? So while n is greater than 0. So initially what you will extract?
6.
Sum is equal to sum plus n modulus of Is that clear? Sum is equal to sum plus n modulus of 10. So now initially what it will do? Sum is equal to sum is 0 plus n mod 10 is how much?
6.
6. So now what is some value? Some value is 6.
6.
So n is equal to n divided by 10. So what is n value?
78.
78. So now again 78 is greater than 0. Sum is equal to sum plus n mod 10. So what is sum is equal to sum is 6 plus n modulus of 10 is how much?
8.
8.
8.
So 6 plus 8 is
14.
14.
14.
so next time again n is equal to n divided by 10. So 78 divided by 10 is 7. So now again it will go here. 7 is greater than 0. Sum is equal to sum plus n mod 10. So sum is equal to sum is 14 plus n mod 10 is 7.
7.
So what is this value?
21.
21. So n is equal to n divided by 10. So n value will become 0. 0 greater than 0 is false. It will break the loop. So now we can print here. Printf the sum of digits is percentage d comma sum. So it will print 21. Is that clear? Clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Note down this. Can I erase?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now how can we write a code? So write main int n is equal to 786. So int sum is equal to 0. So right, n is greater than 0. So sum is equal to sum plus n modulus of n. So n is equal to n divided by n. So printf sum of digits is the sum of digits is percentage d comma sum. Note down this. So be regular to the classes. If you don't, if you miss any class, please take the recordings. So don't miss anything. So there are many situations like, a small thing. So Little Indian to Big Indian class has missed by one person, and we sent him for Collins Aerospace. So he cleared all the rounds. In the manager round, he asked that question. So because of that question, he got rejected in that particular interview. Otherwise, that is 7 lakhs package. It's a very big product-based company, and he missed that opportunity. And finally, he joined in Capgemini. So with what is that? 4 lakhs. So don't miss any opportunity. So by not attending the classes, so or by not following up the topics. So if you miss anything, so if you've seen in the interviews, whatever I tell from the starting to end, so in that one only they will ask. They may ask anything. So be regular, and if you miss anything, any class, please take the recording and complete it. Then can I erase and do practice?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now the next one is, so I want to reverse this number. So I am having n is equal to 785. So I want to reverse this number. So it should print 587. So I want to store this in R. In R, if I print R, it should print 587. The reversed number should store in R. So how will you do this? How will you do this?
Shift, sir.
ఎలా చేస్తారు అదే how you will do? Swapping, how you will do here? This is number, this is not string, right?
While లో ఉపయోగించి n not equals to 0, while not equals to 0.
Okay, n greater than or equal to 0 and not equal to 0, fine. Then
Remainder is equal to remainder
R is equal to
n modulus 10. n modulus 10. ఈ మనం నెంబర్ ఇస్తాం కదా సార్, దానికి 10 తో ఇంటూ చేసి మళ్ళీ రిమైండర్ కలిపి.
Very good, very good. Who has given this? Sairam.
Sir.
Good. Go ahead. Correct గానే వస్తున్నావు. చెప్పు.
దాన్ని మనం ఏం చేస్తామంటే n డివైడెడ్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 10 చేస్తే అయిపోతుంది.
దేంతో మల్టిప్లై చేయాలి 10 ని? ఎంత మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే ఎట్లా వస్తుంది? సో r is equal to initially r value 0 పెట్టుకో, అర్థమైందా?
Yes sir.
So you put r value 0. So now you put r into 10 plus n modulus of 10. So now what will happen? R into 10 is what? 0 plus n mod 10 is what?
78.
No, n modulus of 10.
Oh, 5.
So again r is equal to r into 10. What is r value?
5.
So now whatever the value that is coming, that should go to 1's place, and this should come to 10's place. So that's why r into 10 we have given. So it will become 50 plus, what is the next value? 8. So this is 58. So next time r is equal to r into 10. R into 10 means, so this will go to 100's place, this will come to 10's place. So 580 plus the received value is
7.
So now it became 580. Understood or not? Is that clear?
Yes sir.
Why r into 10 we have given? So the number which is there in ones place should move to tens place. The number which is there in tens place should move to hundreds place. The number which is there in hundreds place should move to thousands place. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Note down this. Note down the scenario, then we'll write the program. Are you able to understand the program logics which I'm telling? Is that clear, or you are feeling any difficulty here?
It's clear only.
Clear,
Okay.
sir. Understand.
Okay. Okay. Enough.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now, write main. So int n is equal to 786. So int r is equal to 0. Initially r value is 0. So while n is greater than 0, so what we have to do? R is equal to
R into 10.
R into 10. Very good. Plus
Yeah. Plus
N modulus
of
bracket
10.
n modulus of
10.
10.
And if you don't give bracket also, that's fine, because modulus and multiplication is having high priority. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Then plus. Okay. So now n is equal to n divided by 10.
10.
So now printf, the reversed number is percentage d comma r. Note down this. So it will print 687. Done na?
Yes, sir.
Hope everyone is done. Can I erase?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I want to find out the given number is palindrome or not. Find the number is palindrome or not. How will you check this? I'll give int n is equal to 1 to 21. 1 to 21 is a palindrome or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So if you reverse also, you will get 1 to 21. So how will you reverse the number? How will you reverse the number?
R equals to R into 10.
Yes. While n is greater than 0. While n is greater than 0. So R is equal to R into 10. So here I will take R also. R is equal to 0. R into 10 plus
Remainder.
n modulus of
N modulus of 10.
10. So n is equal to n divided by 10. So now what you will do? What you will do?
Compare, sir.
So now, how will you check?
If statement, sir.
If
If
R double equals to N.
R double equal to n, n value is 0. So R value is 1 to 2, 1. So both are not equal, right?
Yes, sir.
So what you will do here?
Sir, we can take one more variable.
Very good. We can take one more variable, temp or something. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So in temp we will store n value. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So R double equal to temp we have to give here. Then we can say that the number is
Palindrome.
clear?
Yes, sir.
Clear or not, everyone?
Yes, sir.
So here n will become 0. So we have to store this n in some temporary variable temp. Then you can go for this operation. So finally what you will do? Reverse number is 1 to 2, 1. Temp is also 1 to 2, 1. Both are equal. So we can say that the number is palindrome. Clear? Understood, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Note down this. This is palindrome.
Sir,
Yes, ma'am.
sir, last statement, please explain again.
See, like you have reversed the number, correct?
Yes, sir.
So in R you are having 1 to 2, 1, correct?
Yes, sir.
So the reversed number is equal to the actual number. If the reversed number is equal to the actual number, then you can say that the number is palindrome.
Palindrome.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
So here n will become 0. So what I'm doing? So initially what I'm doing, I'm storing n value in temp.
Okay.
So and I'm doing the operation. So now n became 0. So actual number is where? In which variable actual number is present?
Temp.
Temp. So temp is 1 to 2, 1. So reverse number is also 1 to 2, 1.
1 to
So
2,
both
1.
are equal. You can say that the number is palindrome.
Palindrome.
Clear, Ausha?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can I erase?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now write me. So int n is equal to 1 to 2, 1, comma r is equal to 0, comma temp is equal to, I will store n value temp. So temp is a temporary variable which stores the actual value. So while n is greater than 0. While n is greater than 0, r is equal to r into n plus n modulus of 10. Clear? Clear, everyone? Understood? This step is clear, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So n is equal to n divided by 10. So the reversed number is in r. So the actual number is in temp. So we will compare now. If reversed number double equal to actual number temp. So what you will do? Printf. The number is palindrome. Else printf. The number is not palindrome. Is that clear? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, note down this.
సార్
Hmm.
ముందు ప్రోగ్రామ్ లో రివర్స్ నెంబర్ అని రాసాం కదా సార్ 786 కి.
అవును.
అక్కడ నెంబర్ కాకుండా మనం ఇప్పుడు నేమ్ అయినా రివర్స్ లో రాయడం అవుతుంది సార్.
నేమ్ వచ్చేసి స్ట్రింగ్స్ లో రాస్తాం. నెంబర్.
ఓకే ఓకే సార్, ఓకే సార్,
అర్థమైందా? సో నేమ్స్ అది చెప్తాను, అక్కడ స్ట్రింగ్స్ లో వస్తుంది.
ఓకే సార్.
Done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now I want to find out the power of a particular value. So for example, if I give n value as 2, p value as 3. So 2 power 3 is how much?
8.
8. So you have to print 8 here. So is that possible? Can you write a code for this one? Is that possible?
If you multiply 2 3 times,
result is equal to initially 1. So for I is equal to 0, I less than p I plus plus. So r is equal to r into n. So what will happen initially? R is equal to R into N. I value is 0. 0 is greater than 3. So this is true. So what will happen? R is equal to, when I value is 0, R is equal to R into 3. So 1 into 1, sorry, R into N. So 1 into 2 is nothing but 2. Clear?
Yes, sir.
R is 1 into N is 2. So 2 only. Next time, what you will do? I value will become 1. So now 1 is less than 3. This is true. So R is equal to R into N. R value is 2. 2 into N value is 2. So what it is? 4. Is it clear? Clear or not?
Yes, sir.
So next time, so I value will become 2. So 2 is less than 3. This is true. So R is equal to R into N. R value is 4 into N value is how much? What is N?
2.
N value.
2.
N value. So 4 to 8. So now I value will become 3. So 3 less than 3 is false. It will break the loop. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
So now what is R value? R value is nothing but 8. This is 2 power 3 value. Is that clear, everyone? Understood or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, note down the scenario. Any others, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So find the x power n value of given number. So what it mean? So here, otherwise n power p of given value. So now int n is equal to 2, comma p is equal to 3, comma result is equal to initially 1. So for int I is equal to 0, I less than p I plus plus. So what we have to do? R is equal to
R
is equal to
R into N.
n. So finally printf
N power
printf the n power p value is percentage t, comma r. Note down this.
ఎప్పుడు వస్తారు?
Finish, sir.
Okay. So now next program is factorial. Find just give me a minute. Find the factorial of the given number. So int n is equal to 5. So what is how will you find out the factorial of a given number? So how will you write a code for this one?
For loop
For loop ఉపయోగించి
fact is equal to fact into I చేస్తవచ్చు.
Yes. So if here result is initially I'll put 1.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So if n double equal to 0 or n double equal to 1, so what we can do? Printf the value is %d comma 1. Correct? So if n value is 0 or n value is 1, then we can say that the factorial 0 is or factorial 1 is nothing but 1. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Clear or not? So else what you will do for I is equal to n. So I is equal to n. I greater than 1. Greater than 1. Correct? So I minus minus. I will be decremented every time. I minus minus. So R is equal to R into I. So now what will happen? So first what is I value? I value is 5. Correct? I value is 5. So R is equal to R into I. So 1 into 5 is nothing but 5. So next time I value got decremented to 4 now. So 4 greater than 1 is true. So R is equal to R into I. So R is equal to R into I. So R is 5. 5 into I value is 4. So 20. So next time I value got decremented to 3. So R is equal to R into I. So R is 20. 20 into I value is 3. So it becomes 60. So next I value will be decremented to 2. So 2 greater than 1 is true. So R is equal to R into I. So R is equal to 60 into 2. That is 120. So now I value got decremented to 1. So 1 greater than 1 is false. It will break the loop. So now what is R value? R value is 120, which is nothing but factorial of 5. Is that clear? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Note all this.
Sir, explain that once again, sir. If n equal to 0 is there,
Yes, ma'am.
that I'm not getting how it's come.
Nothing, Geeta. It's very simple, ma. Now n value is 5, correct? Correct or not? N value is 5, correct? So R value is what we have taken? 1 we have taken, correct? Correct or not, Geeta?
Yes, sir.
So I'm taking a for loop. In for loop, what I'm doing, I am starting from n, that is 5. Okay, so I greater than 0. So the I greater than 1 I am putting. So I minus minus. So why I am putting I greater than 1 is anyways 120 into 1 is nothing but 120 only. Correct? That is not required to do. Clear? So now R is equal to R into I. So now what will happen, Gita? So I what is I value? I value is 5. What is R value? R value is 1 initially. Clear? So now R value is nothing but 5. Clear? 1 into 5 is nothing but 5. Clear? So next I value gets decremented to 4. So 4 is greater than 1. So R is equal to R into I. So R value is 5. So 5 into I value is 4. So it will become 20. R becomes 20. So next,
sir, this loop I got, sir, that if statement is there now above.
This one,
Yes.
so here if n value is 0, so n value is 0. So 0 factorial is how much?
0.
No, 0 factorial is 1.
0 into 1. 0.
0 factorial. Factorial of 0.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Factorial of 0 is 1. So factorial of 1 is also 1 only. Correct? So that's why I have given this statement.
Okay, sir.
If other than 1 comes, then you can go for this.
Okay.
Clear?
Clear, sir.
సో ఇప్పుడు మనం దీనికి ఇంక్రిమెంట్ ఆపరేటర్ ఉపయోగించి కూడా రాయొచ్చు కదా సార్
ఎట్లయినా రాయొచ్చు, లాజిక్ ని ఇష్టం. అర్థమైందా? I equal to 1 పెట్టుకొని I less than or equal to n పెట్టుకోవచ్చు. I plus plus.
ఓకే సార్.
క్లియరా?
Yes, sir.
ఓకే సార్.
ఓకే. ఇలా రాసుకోండి, ప్రోగ్రామ్ రాస్తాం. Then can I erase?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now you tell me. So what we have to write? So void main int n is equal to 5, r is equal to 1. So I will take. Okay. So what else we can take? Only this much. So if n double equal to 0 or n double equal to 1. So printf the factorial is the factorial value is percentage d comma 1. So it will print 1. So now else. So what we have to do for I is equal to n, I greater than 1, I minus minus. So what is the logic we have to write? R is equal to
R into I.
R into I. That's it. So I closed for loop, and finally it will printf factorial value is percentage d comma r. So it will print the factorial value. So close the else, close the main. That's it. Note down this. Power value 3 power n.
N power p value is done, sir.
Done,
N
sir.
power p is done. Factorial is also done. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So both are done. So now today we will discuss about the Armstrong number. Armstrong. What is Armstrong number? So if I take 153, so 1 cube. So there are 3 numbers. 3 numbers means cube. 2 numbers means square. And 4 numbers means power 4 you have to do. So 1 power 3 plus 5 power 3 plus 3 power 3. You know how to do power value. So is equal to 1 plus 125 plus 27. So what is this value?
153.
53. So I will take 1634. 1 power 4. There are here 4 numbers is there. So you have to do power 4. So 1 power 4 plus 6 power 4 plus 3 power 4 plus 4 power 4. So 1 power 4 is 1. 6 power 4 is 6, 6, 36. 36 into 36. So 6, 6, 36. 6, 3 is 18. 18 plus 3, 21. So 3, 6, 18. Okay. So
1296.
1296. Correct.
96.
1296 is the value. So 1296 plus 3 3 is 999 81 plus 256 is equal to 1634. So this is an Armstrong number. Is that clear? So if there is 4 numbers, you have to do power 4 for all the digits. If it is 3 numbers, you have to do over 3 for all the digits. So first what we have to do, we have to find out the total number of digits. So how many digits are there? Digits, number of digits. So digits is 4. So now we will extract one by one. So first we will extract the number 4. You know how to extract the number. So 4 and you will do power of 4. So plus next 3 you will extract 3 power of 4. Next 6 you will extract 6 power of 4. So next 1 you will extract 1 power of 4. You will do. Is that clear? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Clear or not? Just note down the scenario. I will tell one more continuation of the scenario, like how we can do the program for this one.
Okay, sir.
Done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So first, how can we do the, for example, if I take int n is equal to 1634. So what now we have to take? So first we have to count the number of digits, correct? So
Yes,
how
sir.
many digits are there? We have to count, correct?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
So I will take I will take count. Count is equal to 0. I will take one temporary variable. Temp is equal to n. In that temporary variable, I will store n value because n we need till end. So it will become 0 when you traverse. So I will show you like why we need temp. So here, so first we will count the number of digits. So while n is greater than 0, so what we have to do? Count plus plus. So n is equal to n divided by 10. So now n is 1634. 1634 is greater than 0. Count will be incremented to 1. So what n will become?
163.
163. Now 163 is greater than 0. So count will become 2. So now what is n will
16.
become?
16.
16 is greater than 0. Count will become 3. So now this is 1. 1 is greater than 0. Count will become 4. So now it will become 0. 0 greater than 0 is false. It will break the loop. We got the total digits count. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So
సార్
now
ఒకసారి మళ్ళీ
what?
చెప్తారు సార్,
Yes.
ఇంకోసారి రిపీట్ చేస్తాను సార్.
అంటే మనము టోటల్ డిజిట్స్ ఉన్నాయి ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తున్నాం ఇక్కడ, అర్థమైందా?
ఎస్ సార్.
సో ఫస్ట్ n is 1634, కరెక్టా?
ఎస్ సార్.
1634 is greater than 0. So now what is count value? Count will be incremented to 1 now, correct?
Yes, sir.
So n is equal to n by 10. What is n value now? 163. 1634 divided by 10.
Yes, sir.
163. 163 is greater than 0. Now what is count? Count will be incremented to 2. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So now again n is equal to n by 10. So n value will become 16. 16 is greater than 0. So count will be incremented to 3. Next, n is equal to n by 10. So 16 by 10 is 1. So 1 is greater than 0. So it will be incremented to 4.
4.
So now n is equal to n by 10. 1 by 10 is 0. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So 0 greater than 0 is false. It will break the loop. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Hi. Okay. So now we got the total digits count. So now what we have to do? So we have to extract 1 by 1 and we have to make the power of 4. So now what we will do? Again, n is equal to temp. N value became 0 now. So that's why again we have copied temp value to n. So what is n now? Again 1634.
163.
Clear? Clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now what I will do, while n greater than 0, so I will take some variable x and y is equal to 1. So I will extract x is equal to n modulus of n. So you got 4 now, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now you have to do 4 power 4. So for 4 power 4, what you will do? For int I is equal to 0, I less than
Count.
I plus
I plus plus.
So y is equal to y into
2.
y into x. X. So we have already did this, right?
Yes, sir.
So y is equal to y into x. So you got the 4 power 4 value. So what is that? That is 4 power 4 is what? 256. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So now I will take sum. Sum is equal to 0. So in this sum, I will store this value. Sum is equal to
Okay. Sum plus
Plus y.
remainder into
Y.
y. So now sum is equal to 0 plus 0 plus.
256.
So sum became 2.
256. 256.
So now y again I will reset to 1. X is equal to, or n is equal to n divided by 10. So what is n value now? What is n value? n value enta? 163.
163.
So 1634 divided by 4. 4 already we have taken and we have done 4. Correct. So 4 is not required. So now n became 163. Again it will come here. 163 is greater than 0. X equal to n mod 10. So 163 mod 10 is how much?
16.
163 modulus of
3.
So you will get the remainder 3. So now we will do 3 power 4. So for I is equal to 0, I less than count, I plus plus. So y is equal to y into x. So y value is 1. 1 into 3 is 3. So next 3 into 3 is 9. Next 9 into 3 is 27. Next 27 into 3 is 81. So y value will become 81. So sum is equal to sum plus y. So sum is equal to 256 plus 81. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
So next again y is equal to 1, n is equal to n divided by 10. So what is n value?
N value 16.
16. So again 16 is greater than 0. X equal to n mod 10. So what is x value?
6.
6. You are extracting 6 now. So x is 6. So you are doing 6 power 4 here. So 6 power 4 is how much?
1296.
1296. So sum is equal to sum plus y. So you are adding that, and y is equal to again resetting to 1. So n is equal to n divided by 10. So n value is how much?
N value 1.
1.
Divided by 10. 1. So 1 is greater than 0. So x equal to n mod 10. So this is fine. X value is 1. So for I is equal to 0, I less than count, I plus plus. 1 power 1 is nothing but 1 power 4 is nothing but 1 only. So sum is equal to sum plus y. So you will add 1 to this. What is sum value now?
1.
1, 2, 3, 4. Correct? Is that clear or not? So sum value is 1634. So here n is equal to n divided by 10. So loop will this will become 0. So loop will break here. 0 greater than 0 is false. Loop will break. So now here we will check if sum is double equal to the actual number. Actual number is what?
1634.
Which one we have to compare now?
Temp.
N,
Number.
n became 0. So temp. In temp we have stored the actual value, right? So sum double equal to temp. So we can say that the number is Armstrong. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, just note down the scenario. I'll tell the program.
సార్
Sairam.
సార్ ఇప్పుడు ఈ XY వేరియబుల్స్ తీసుకోకుండా డైరెక్ట్ గా మనం రిమైండర్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 0 అని పెట్టేసి తీసుకుంటే అయిపోతుంది కదా.
ఏ రిమైండరు?
రిమైండర్ 0 అని పెట్టుకుంటే రిమైండర్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 0 అని పెట్టి చేస్తే వైల్ నాట్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు 0.
ఎక్కడ చెప్పు.
అంటే నేను వేరేగా చూసాను సార్.
ఎట్లా అంటే వేరే లాజిక్ అంటే ఏ విధంగా?
అంటే చెప్తాను చూడండి సార్. మనం సమ్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 0, రిమైండర్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 0 అనుకుని ఇంటి దగ్గర ఇస్తాం సార్. టెంపరీ నెంబర్ ఒకటి. టెంపరీ నెంబర్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు నెంబర్. వైల్ టెంపరీ నెంబర్ ఈజ్ నాట్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు 0 చేసుకుంటాం. రిమైండర్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు టెంప్ నెంబర్ బై మాడ్యులస్ ఆఫ్ 10.
నేను ఒకటే కదా, XY కాకుండా నువ్వు అక్కడ రిమైండర్ అని తీసుకుంటున్నాడు అక్కడ.
అంటే
నేమింగ్ కన్వెన్షన్ అది.
సార్
నేమింగ్ కన్వెన్షన్స్ రిమైండర్ అనేసి ఇద్దామంటున్నావా నువ్వు? ఇవ్వచ్చు. సర్లే అట్లా కూడా రాద్దాం.
అప్పుడు డైరెక్ట్ గా
Yeah, go ahead. Sai. ఓకే, మీరు ట్రై చేయండి, అంటే మీ మెథడ్స్ లో ట్రై చేయండి, ఒకవేళ ఆన్సర్ వస్తుందని చూడండి. ఓకేనా?
Hello, sir. Sir, finish. Done.
Okay, so how can we write a code for this one? Void main int so number is equal to 1634, we can say. So come on, so what else is required? Temp is required. In temporary variable you have to store this number. Temp is equal to n, comma so for count we need count equal to 0, sum equal to 0, comma x comma y is equal to 1. So for in y you will store the power value. Okay, let's otherwise I'll give some names. So here reminder remainder is equal to remainder comma power value. Initially power value is 1. Okay, so here what we will do, first we will count the number of digits. So while n is greater than 0, so while n is greater than 0, count plus plus, so count will be incremented. So n is equal to n divided by 10 we will do. So now count will become 4 now. So here again we'll start one more while loop. So while before starting that, we have to assign temp value to n. N is equal to temp, because n will become 0 here. So now while n is greater than 0, so what we have to do, first we have to extract the remainder. So remainder is equal to so what we have to do,
n modulus 10.
N modulus of 10. Very good. So now here I will take I index I. So for I is equal to 0, I less than count I plus plus. So power value is equal to P is equal to P into
X. Remainder.
That is remainder. Very good. So this is what we do. So now after completion of this, what we have to do, sum is equal to
sum plus p.
Sum plus p. So every time the power value we are adding to the sum. So now what we have to do, so we have to reset the power value to 1 and n is equal to n by 10. Is that clear? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Sir, in for loop count is 0, sir.
In for loop,
Count is 0.
count will be always 4. So what we are doing, we are starting from 0 to 3, we are going. That means 4 times we are doing the into multiplication. Clear? 4 into 4 into 4 into 4. Understood? Apurva.
Yes, sir.
So you only asked it, right?
Yes, sir.
So where, which is your doubt? What is your doubt?
In for loop, what is the count value?
Count value is here we got the count as 4, right?
That only it will take, sir.
That only it will take.
Okay, sir.
Okay, na? Okay. So clear, right, till this point? Any doubts here? So
No,
we are
sir.
not. So first point, what we are doing. So I will write the steps also later. Okay. So now if after completion of this, if sum is equal to temp value,
Temp.
then what is this? Printf. The value is Armstrong. Armstrong. Okay. The number is Armstrong. You can say the number is Armstrong. Else printf, the number is not Armstrong. Okay, note down this. Dana, can I erase?
Sir.
No, sir.
Okay. No done. So if you are not able to do the coding, like if you are very weak in coding, like whatever we are telling, daily practice at least the same programs 2 to 3 times by seeing, and later you can try one by one without seeing like how to write a code and all. So you just start like that. So you will be familiar at one stage. So our book notes is more than enough to get a job. So, but to get the bigger packages, so you should think logically. So that's what you have to do. So bigger packages in the sense, if you want Samsung, if you want microchip, if you want what is that Qualcomm, so which pays 20 plus lakhs of packages. So they will think, they will ask you in different directions, like you should think and do that. So for those things, this will help. So from now on, you can start thinking on your own and write the code. So it may not, it may take some time, but that's okay. So try slowly.
Okay, sir.
Okay, attend the mock interviews. There they will give many number of questions like that, so which you can think and do.
Yes, sir.
Can I erase, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now, what is the first point? What we are doing? Count the number of digits. Next, what we are doing? Extract each digit. Extract each digit from the number. Perform the power of count for each digit. Add the power value to the sum every time. Reset power value to 1 and divide n value by 10 every time. So this is what we are doing, nothing else. Note down this. Using loop, you can say, using loop. So these points you can put, this is 1, 2, 3, 4. The loop you are doing this. Done? Can I erase?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now we will see strong number. So how can we find out whether the given number is strong or not? So strong number. So how to which is strong number? So for example, int n is equal to 145. Okay. So 1 factorial plus 4 factorial plus 5 factorial. So what is this value? 1 factorial is 1, 4 factorial is 24 plus 5 factorial is 120. So what is this value?
145.
145. This is a strong number. So how will you find out whether the given number is strong or not? You know how to do factorial. So you know how to extract the digits. So we can do this, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So how can we do this? So now while n is greater than 0, I will store this in temp. Temp is equal to n. So while n is greater than 0, so what we will do now? X is equal to n modulus of 10. So now factorial, how will you find out?
For loop.
How will you find out the factorial?
For loop, sir. First,
For I is equal to
0.
equals to n. I less
I is equal to
than
n.
I greater than 1.
I is equal to x, we can say. Okay, I equal to x, I greater than 1,
I minus minus.
I minus minus. So here, so y is equal to, I'll take y is equal to 1. So y is equal to, so what we have to do?
Y into I.
Y into
I.
y into I, sorry. Y is equal to y into I. So now first time what it will do, it will extract 5 into 1. So 1 into 5 it will do. So y value is 5. Next time y is equal to 5 into I value is 4. So it will become 20. Next time y is equal to y into I value 3. So it will become 60. So next time y is equal to y into what?
16.
So that is 60 into 2.
16.
That is 120. So now y value is 120. So what you will do? Sum is equal to sum plus y. Is that clear? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now n is equal to n by 10. Every time you will subtract, you will divide n by 10. So now y value is 120. So what is n value? N value is 14. So 14 is greater than 0. X equal to n mod 10. So 14 mod 10 is what?
Sir,
Y is
y
equal to 1.
is
Every time you reset y to 1. Yeah. So x value is 4. So again you will find out the 4 factorial. So 4 factorial is how much?
24.
20. So sum is equal to, so initially 120 plus 24 plus now n is equal to n by 10. So by n value will become 1. So 1 is greater than 0. X equal to n mod 10. So what is x value? X value is 1. So for I is equal to 1, I greater than, so anyways it will loop will fail. So because x value is 1. So now what you will do? Sum is equal to sum plus y. So that is 1. So what is the value it is? What is the value?
145.
145. Is that clear? Clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Just note down the scenario, I'll tell the program. Here nothing. So we are just extracting the digit and finding the factorial and adding that to sum. That's it.
Sir,
Yes, ma'am.
how it become 120 plus 24 plus 1?
Here we are doing sum, right? Sum. So initially sum is 0. Sum is equal to 0 plus what is y value? Y value is 5 factorial. That is 120.
120.
Correct?
Okay.
So next time again loop will come. So next you are finding the 4 factorial. So So sum is equal to, sum is 120 plus 4 factorial. Y value is how much? 24.
Okay.
Clear?
That one, sir? That
Again,
one.
that's what. Again, n will become 1. So 1 is greater than 0. X value is 1. So
One factorial value is 1. That is add to this one. Okay.
yeah. Sum is equal to 144 plus 1 factorial is what? 1 only. So now sum is equal to sum plus 5. So this is 145. So n is equal to n by 10. So n will become 0. So 0 greater than 0 is false. It will break the loop. What is sum value? 145. Clear?
Clear, sir.
Okay. Just note down this. These are all very, very, very important programs. They will ask in the interviews. Done? Can I erase?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what are the steps that we are following? So first,
Extract each digit.
The digits. Okay, extract each digits. That would be good. Extract each digit from the given number. Next, what we are doing?
Performing factorial for each digit.
And the factorial for each digit. At the factorial value of the digit. If sum is matching with actual number, print the number is Armstrong. Is that clear? Understood? Hope everyone is clear. Any questions here? Geeta, Siddharamesh, Usha?
No, sir. Clear, sir.
Okay. Can I erase this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now we'll write a program for this one. So what it told, strong number, right? If the sum is matching with the print, the number is not wrong. No doubt. Type. Okay. So now void main. So int n is equal to 145, comma. I will store this n in temp. Temp is equal to n. So sum is equal to 0, comma, remainder, comma, factorial is equal to 1. So factorial value I'll put initially 1. So now while n is greater than 0, so what you will do, first we have to extract the remainder. Remainder is equal to n modulus of n. Is that clear? Clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
So now I will take I for this one. So for I is equal to remainder I greater than 1 I minus minus. So what you will do, factorial is equal to factorial value into I. So now first factorial is 1 into 5. So 5. So next 5 into 4, 20. So 20 into 3, 60. 60 into 2, 8, 120. So this fact will become 120. So what I will do, I will add that 120 to sum. Sum is equal to sum plus fact. So next time I will make, I'll reset the fact to 1, fact value to 1, fact equal to 1, and n is equal to n by n. So n will become 14. So now I will extract 4. Now I will find out the 4 factorial, and I will add that to sum. So fact I will become, I'll reset to 1 again, n is equal to n by 10. So now this will become 1. So 1 more 10 is 1. So 1 factorial is 1. So I will add that to sum, and n is equal to n by 10. So it will become 0. So I will break the loop. So 0 greater than 0 is false. So it will break the loop. So now if sum is equal to, sum double equal to which value?
Temp.
N will become 0 here.
Temp, sir.
Temp, sir.
That's why I have taken temp. So n double equal to temp. Printf, the number is strong. Else printf, the number is not strong. Note down this.
So,
Yes, ma.
sir, instead of printf, we can write print also. Is it right, sir?
No. Print will not work here. So in C, in Python, print will work. So here, printf, you have to give printf.
Okay.
Sir, for 1 factorial, will you explain, sir?
Which one?
For 1 factorial, how it works?
So for 1 factorial, okay. So here remainder is 1, correct?
Yes, sir.
So I is equal to 1, 1 greater than 1 is false.
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay. So during that time, if 1 factorial means, so
Yes, sir. The for loop will fail, sir. Then how the sum will adds for fact, sir?
correct. You're correct. So remainder is 1. So yeah. But here also, here what will happen? Factorial value is 1, right? So for 1 factorial, it will not go into this loop. So value is 1, correct? What is factorial value? Factorial value is 1 already.
Sir, after adding sum plus fact, that is initializing as fact is equal to 1.
Yes, correct. So after adding, see, first sum is equal to sum plus fact. Fact value is how much? 5 factorial, 120. So 0 plus 120, correct?
Yes, sir.
So now fact value again you are resetting to 1. So again you will take next 4. So remainder is 4. So 4 factorial it will do. So 4 factorial is how much? 120 plus 24. So 144, correct?
Yes, sir.
So fact value again you are resetting to 1. So n is equal to n divided by 10. So n value is 1. So again it will go here. So remainder is 1. So here it will fail because it is 1. So there is no need to do factorial again. So sum is equal to sum plus fact. So fact value is how much?
1.
Plus how much?
1, sir. 1.
1. So this will become 145. Clear? Clear or not?
Yes, sir. Sir, initially fact is 1. Then why we need to require again initialization of fact is equal to 1?
Here it will become 120, right? Factorial will become 120 value. Factorial will become 120 first time, correct?
Yes, sir.
So if you don't reset to 1, so next time what it will do for 4 factorial, it will start from 120. 120 into 4, which is wrong, correct?
Okay, sir.
So it should do 1 into 4. Instead of that, what it will do? 120 into 4 it will do here for 4 factorial. That's why we are resetting every time to 1. Hope you understood.